And it's a year in the ocean where I was not really
oh yes,
because I'm looking at a songwriter of the year. I will pick up the award. Becca Nyumnes and Surini a record of the year.
Yes.
Becca Nas and Surini a best female vocal performance. And Yum Dake Dana and man is award.
Yes.
And DSP now ACP Kofi Sarpong. And also Ayeyi Ndwom no Surini gospel song of the year.
Yes.
Into which awards 1, 2, 3, 4. Your handwriting was in it.
Yes.
And how did that make you feel?
I felt very good because as a youngster, me back into limelight.
Yeah.
And I'm a person, maybe a songwriter, and then a performer, singer. No. To see say, I'm to for good. I can see we perform your songs. No. Na me ahunwa na many
yeah,
at least say metima bibi sa then I wasn't even thinking about the money, but I was thinking about the dream, vision, because it was very huge.
But Omoma Oscar for writing the song for them.
Oh Debbie say na his can engineer so am fati sane man to Akwaboah say yeah no yeah bejiska
wa we misa and almost all men from Pema Maoshe.
That was enye omo artist no
only omo management
yes,
and a delay.
Yes, exactly.